This is some behind the scenes stuff.
Clean up the house.
Happy Monday Minute.
Hey.
It's the Monday Minute. This is my new favorite shirt. So tonight we're making some dinner outside of street tacos. My favorite food is Korean Beef Bulgogi. Bulgogi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's okay because today we are going to make some BBQ Bulgogi. Sid is making some Korean barbecue dinner. Again, I've never made this before, so please don't judge. But any tips and tricks, please leave them in the comments. And be fucking nice. Be fucking nice. I'm excited, kind of nervous to make this stuff. I've been defrosting it since I've been home, so this will be interesting.
Ready.
I don't want to say I made the most perfect steamed rice ever, but your girl made some bomb ass steamed rice. Okay, so Jerome's gaming, so I'm going to eat without him.
It's not nice to say.
Life is grand. Life is grand. I hope you all have an amazing week, an amazing rest of your day. And until the next time, cheers. Are you like Wizard Kelly?
Not this tall, by the way.